Okay, pay attention everyone. Suppose I'm drawing two lines here. And converting this into arrows. Okay, let me give namings to this. A, B, C, D, and I name this center as point O. Now, if you see from O up to A, this part only, if it is only an arrow, it is called as what? It is called as a ray. If dono side there is like this arrow, then it is called as line. Okay, but here there are only, if it is just an arrow, it is called as a ray. Okay, so now if you see OA, OA is a ray, OC also is a ray, OB also is a ray, and OD also is a ray. Now we are learning a new concept called as opposite rays. Okay, what are opposite rays?
Sir, I'm
Rays
not
which
able to
are
hear you.
log off and log in again. Opposite rays. Opposite rays are what? Rays which are in the opposite direction. Now if you see this ray OA is in this direction, OB is in this direction. So when they are in the opposite direction, so ray OA and ray OB are called as what? Opposite rays. Okay, so rays when they are in the opposite direction, they are called as opposite rays. Simple. Please give me a thumbs up if you understood. Please give me a thumbs up. Let's continue. The next part what we are studying is called as types of angles. Types of angles. Now this we will do from your textbook. Now if you see your textbook, first thing what we are learning is angles in a linear pair. 1 second. First type of angle what we are learning is angles in a linear pair. Now what is the meaning of this linear pair? Suppose I am drawing a line, a straight line, okay, a straight line, and I'm giving a name to this line as A, B, C. Can I say this ABC is, I can even say as angle ABC? Can I call this ABC as angle ABC also? Yes, I can call. Why? I'll tell you all. You know how a protractor looks? You know protractor D in which you'll make your measurements. Okay. Anyone has protractor close to you? Anyone has protractor close to you? Please show it to us on the screen. Yes. Everyone look at Trisha's screen. Everyone look at Trisha's screen. So according to Trisha's screen, Trisha, can you see in the protractor, suppose I'm drawing, this is a protractor. This is given as 180 degree here, 180, 180. Is it written like this, 180, 180? Yes, so that means one line, the measure of one line, angle, if it is an angle, what is the measure? 180 degrees. So that means there is a measure, and this I can even say as ABC is an angle also. And what is the measure of angle ABC? 180 degrees. Any straight line has a measure of 180 degrees. Any straight line. Yes, Trisha, you can keep your protractor down. Any straight line has a measure of 180 degrees. So if you see similarly, this angle ABC, I can even call it as an angle having measure of 180 degrees. Now suppose on this angle ABC, I draw one line like this here. And I name this, I make an arrow and I name this part as D. Now अभी क्या हो गया? दो angle बन गया नया. One is angle ABD and other angle DBC. So angle ABD, this angle ABD plus angle DBC, this angle, both together are equal to angle ABC. See the figure closely, you'll understand then. ये angle, ये वाला
Yes.
angle
Yes,
plus
sir.
plus plus ये वाला angle. These two together makes up this full angle, and this full angle is what? 180
180
degrees.
degree.
Clear? So that means when two angles make up an angle which is equal to 180 degrees, those angles are said to be angles forming linear pair. What are those angles called as? Angles forming linear pair. Now suppose I'm drawing an angle like this. I'm drawing an angle like this and I draw one more angle here. ये एंगल का मेजर 180 है क्या? ये एंगल का मेजर 180 है क्या? Yes or no? This angle measure is 180 or what? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes
No.
or no? No. Correct, Avni. Why no? But this is acute angle, no? 180 is what? Flat. So an angle which is flat and two angles are making that flat angle, only those angles are called as angles forming a linear pair. Understood? So if you see this example here which is
Sir,
given to
now
us,
also I can't hear you.
then you log off and log in once again because everyone can hear me and your connection there is some issue. Everyone can hear me clearly. Please give me a thumbs up. Those who can hear me. Reisha, you'll have to log off and log in once again. I cannot help it. Sorry. Okay. Log off and log in once again. You'll be able to hear me. So if you see this figure which is given to us, angle PQS का measure कितना है? 180 degrees and there are two angles here. So therefore, measure angle PQR, that is this angle, plus measure angle RQS, that is this angle, is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of the measures of the angles in a linear pair is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's see some examples. Okay, if you see your practice set. Practice set 90. Draw the pairs of angles that described below. If that is not possible, say why. So what you have to do in such pair of angles? So one angle of 40, one angle of 50 we draw, we'll together get 90 degree. One more example we'll take. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. Angles in a linear, this one I'm talking about, sixth one. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. This is not possible only. Why? Complementary angles together is 90 and linear pair together is 180. So linear or complementary एक जैसा नहीं है. So you have to write such angles do not exist or it is not possible. One more example, angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Neither complementary nor adjacent means you have to draw two angles which are not 90 degree total. So you can draw one angle of 30 degree and one angle of 50 degree. 50 plus 30 is not 90, no? Simple. Understood? Is it clear? Please give me a thumbs up if it is clear. Please give me a thumbs up if it is clear. Okay, let's continue. Vertically opposite angles. Pay attention. Vertically opposite angles, as the name is only telling us, angles
Sir, I'm
which
not able
are
to hear you.
Reisha, log off and don't log off and log in. Just stay online and see the screen. Just watch the screen. Reisha, watch the screen only. Okay. Vertically opposite angles, as the name suggests, vertically opposite angles. Angles, we know what are angles. ये क्या है? काच को. Avni, what Avni is doing? One. Apre, scaring me. Okay, vertically opposite angles. So angles, we know what are angles. Opposite means opposite to each other. So two angles that are opposite to each other vertically, not horizontally. Not horizontally matlab kya? Not straight line where it is opposite to each other, up and down, or if you see like this also up and down. Okay, depend. Now suppose I show you this pen, up and down. Either bhi hai up and down. Okay, opposite to each other, opposite to each other. Such angles are called as vertically opposite angles. So if you see the example here there is an angle. Let me take another color. Yes, this angle PQS and RQT. PQS, RQT opposite to each other, so they are called vertically opposite angle. One more example, PQR and SQT. This is PQR, this is SQT. Opposite, both opposite to each other, so they are called vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles क्या है? They are congruent or they are equal to each other. मतलब if angle, suppose I am drawing separately here. Okay, suppose I say this angle is PQ.
Sir,
Yes.
it will be a plus also, na?
No, no plus. Only opposite, they are congruent. No plus. No
Okay.
plus minus in this. Only in linear pair plus. Okay, opposite to each other. Now suppose I say here, PQR is of measure 50 degree. How much will be SQT? 50 degree. Because opposite angles or vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. One more example. Suppose I'm saying PQT is 60 degree. How much will be RQS? RQS कितना
60
रहेगा?
degree.
60 because again they are opposite to each other. So vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Let's see some examples which are given to you. Okay, look here. Practice set 20. Lines AC and BD intersect at point P. We are seeing the first figure, okay? This figure. APD is 47. This is 47. Find APB, BPC and CPD. Abhi, this is 47. How much will be BPC? 47. Q, this angle mil gaya. Why they are 47? Because vertically opposite. So 47. Now we have to find APB also. APB भी ढूंढना है. APB किधर है? इधर है. Yes, but APB is nothing but linear pair. You see here, अभी एक line है straight line और ऐसा है. Linear pair no, straight line measure is 180 degree और एक linear pair बनता है. मतलब ये अगर 47 है तो हम लोग ये वाला ढूंढ सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि 47 plus suppose this angle I name as x, so 47 plus x is equal to 180 degree. 180 क्या है? linear pair का measure 180 degree. So therefore x is equal to 180 minus 47. कितना होता है? Please minus and tell me. 180 minus 47 how much? फटाफट 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 फटाफट. 180 minus 47.
So 133.
Correct. 133 degrees. So measure of this angle is 133 degrees. Reisha, only look at the. She doesn't understand English or what, this madam. Only look at the screen. Not required to hear. Arey, I sent Avni by mistake. Sorry. ये कोरोना कभी खत्म होएगा? Dhanashree, make vaccine fast. Okay. So where I was, ये मिल गया 133 degrees. That means APB मिल गया 133 degrees. So if APB is 133, how much is DPC?
133.
133. Why? Opposite to each other. Shruti is understanding, no? Please give a thumbs up if you are understanding. Please give a thumbs up. Lovely. Let's continue. This is a very simple thing what we are doing. Look at the screen clearly. I'm just minimizing. How many sides are there in this triangle? How many sides are there in this triangle?
3.
1, 2, 3 sides. How many sides are there in this quadrilateral? 1, 2, 3, 4
Four.
sides.
4.
Okay, so please count the number of sides in the quadrilateral. Okay, now pay attention. Triangle. Number of triangles in this is only one. In one triangle, there is only one triangle, no? So sum of interior angles is 180. The interior angles मतलब क्या? जो angles अंदर है. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Suppose I draw a triangle here and I name this triangle as triangle ABC. So angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB. I'll write also angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That means ये angle plus ये angle plus ये angle, all three साथ में, all three together is equal to 180 degrees. Avni, pay attention. Quadrilateral. If you see in this quadrilateral, there are how many triangles? Two triangles, no? One is this and one is this. So therefore, 180 into 2 is how much? Here, sum of all angles
360.
is 360 degrees. Pentagon, there are 1, 2, 3 triangles. So 180 into 3, 18 3s are 54. So 540 degrees. So similarly, number of triangles देखने का, and you have to do 180 into the number of triangles. Heptagon में कितना triangle है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here the answer will be 180 into 5. What is 180 into 5? Tell me first. Multiply and tell me.
90.
180 into
Ni-
5. 90.
190.
900.
190.
900.
190. 190.
Dhanashri, control. 180 into 5. What 190? I didn't say 180 plus 10.
So
18.
900.
Correct. 900. Dhanashri, no. Dhanashri had lunch or no today? Have lunch, please. See, little at least you're answering. Every day you would have lunch and you would answer so much. Octagon has how many sides? 6 sides. So 180 into 6 is how much? 180 into 6. Come on, fast. 180 into 6. 1, 0, 8, 0, 0. What is 18 sixes are? 6 8s are 48. 6 1 and 6, 108.
108.
Yeah, 108 and 2 zeros. Okay, so some of the interior angles. But you might get all these questions in MCQs, huh? You will get. They will draw the quadrilateral. What they will do is ye karke denge. They will tell you find sum of interior angles and they'll give you 4 options. So you should know that if like this quadrilateral it is, then there are only 2 triangles. 2 triangles, so 180 into 2. So the answer is what? 360. Suppose they draw this quadrilateral, so you should know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So 180 into 4 is the answer, whatever you get. Okay, 72, 720. Is it clear? Understood? But for your sums, for your basic sums, you will get only triangle. Okay, nothing else you will get. Let's continue. I'll show you all how you will get the triangle. Okay. Can you see this figure? The last part of your chapter this is. Can you see this figure? We are learning a new triangle called as exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle matlab kya? Outside. Exterior means outside. Angle which is touching the triangle but outside the triangle. Angle which is touching the triangle but triangle के अंदर नहीं है, triangle के बाहर है. See the angle. This one. So if you see ये एंगल ये ट्रायंगल को टच हो रहा है ना, पर ये एंगल अंदर है क्या? एंगल ट्रायंगल के नहीं, एंगल ट्रायंगल के अंदर कितना एंगल है? 1 2 3, और ये एंगल है बाहर. सो दिस एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज द exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, I'll draw some more examples of exterior angle. Suppose I draw one triangle here. अभी मैं इसको बढ़ा देता हूँ तो इसको बोलते हैं exterior angle. Suppose मैं इसको बढ़ा देता हूँ, so इसको बोलते हैं exterior angle. Suppose I increase this, so this is called an exterior angle. Suppose I increase this, so this is called exterior angle. Suppose I increase this, वापस this is called exterior angle. Suppose I increase this,
Sir,
so this is called exterior angle.
sir,
Yes, Dhanashri.
sir, you have expanded the lines in between also. He's making a V shape. So in inside also, it can
No,
make a
no, no, no.
exterior angle.
Good question. Very good. See, when you have lunch, such superb questions you ask here. Please have lunch every day. This angle is not called an exterior angle because this is a vertically opposite angle. Can you see opposite to each other? No. ये भी देखो, this and this opposite, this and this opposite. So this is not exterior. These are opposite angles. Exterior is the angle which touching the side. If you see here, ये side को touch हो रहा है. It is touching this side. This angle is touching this side. This angle is touching this side. This angle is touching this side. Understood? Clear? So these are called as exterior angle. Now, what is the property of an exterior angle? If you see, please draw this figure. I want you to draw this figure. Draw this figure first. I'm drawing a triangle. Okay, so if you see, I name this triangle as ABC and this point as D. Okay. Abhi idhar, what is the exterior angle? Angle ACD. Now, what statement I've typed and sent you all, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to. So that means, pay attention, angle ACD is equal to the addition of or sum of, एक ही बात है, the addition of the sum of the remote interior angles. अभी remote interior angles क्या होता है? Remote interior angles ये क्या होता है? रिमोट मतलब क्या? हम लोग के घर में रिमोट है ना, वी यूज फॉर टीवी. Why we use remote? So that we don't have to get up and off, change the channel. We sit far and we use the remote. So remote means something which is far from us, not close to us. Interior means inside. And angles, we know what is the angle. So ACD is equal to measure angle A plus measure angle B. मतलब अभी ACD के बाजू में कौन सा एंगल है? ये एंगल है, पर ये रिमोट इंटीरियर नहीं है क्योंकि ये बाजू में है. अभी तुम लोग टीवी के बाजू में रहेंगे तो क्या रिमोट से यूज करेंगे? नहीं ना, हाथ से ही करेंगे ना, ऑफ ऑन जो भी है. So remote interior is not this angle. This is not remote interior angle. This angle plus this angle. Okay, so this angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. This is what statement you all wrote just now. If you all see the statement which you all wrote, see what you all wrote. Angle P plus angle Q, that is this angle plus this angle, is equal to angle PRS. Same thing. Same thing. Okay. So exterior angle is equal to sum of this angle plus easy. And one more thing. One more thing we learned just now in our previous page. What we learned? Sum of all angles of a triangle कितना होता है? This plus this is how much? We just learned.
180 degree.
180
Yes,
180 degree.
180 degree. Very good. Since you all know both this, now we can go to the last part of our practice. Let us take one example. See the first example. Okay. ACD is an exterior angle. तो ये angle दिया है 140. We have to find angle A and angle B. Now we'll do step by step. Okay. If this angle is 140, how can we find this angle? Can anyone tell me? Let me see who's smart. Yes, Avni.
Sir, by the linear pair.
Superb, yeah. Lovely. ACD plus angle ACB is 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. अभी ACD कितना है? 140 plus angle ACB कितना है? ढूंढना है. We don't know how much it is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB is 180 minus 140. How much is 180 minus 140? So easy. Why you want to use the
140.
pen? 40 degree.
140.
Who's that 140? Dhanashri, you have to calculate and do. Without calculation, you cannot do. You're talking anything. Okay, 40 degree. So this angle मिल गया कितना? 40 degree. Got it? Understood? Clear? Now this angle is 40 degree. We have to find the measure of angle A plus angle B. Now what it is told, angle A plus angle B both are equal. दोनों equal है. तो angle A मिला मतलब angle B भी मिल गया क्योंकि दोनों same है ना. Right? Let's do it. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. All angles measured together is 180 degrees. अभी angle A plus angle B plus 40 degree. Angle C 40 है ना? Is equal to 180. Yes. Now I'm writing it down. Okay. So therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus 40. वो कितना होता है? 140 degree. Yes. So therefore, now I'm writing here. Look here. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 140 degree. Now I can even write this as angle A plus angle A is 140 degree. Why I wrote angle A दो बार? क्योंकि angle B और angle A same है ना? Angle B and angle A is same. This angle and this angle is the same thing. So I repeated and wrote. Okay. अभी angle A plus angle A 140. इसका मतलब क्या? 2 angle A is equal to 140. Angle A plus angle A, 2 angle A. X plus X, 2x. Y plus Y, 2y. M plus M, 2m. धनश्री प्लस धनश्री 2 धनश्री. नहीं 2 नहीं चाहिए, एक ही बस. बाप रे 2 नहीं चाहिए, एक ही बस. So 2 angle A is equal to 140. So therefore angle A is 140 divided by 2. 2 gets divided down. 140 divided by 2 कितना होता है? 70 डिग्री. So ये है 70 डिग्री. तो इसका मेजर कितना है? एंगल बी का मेजर कितना है? एंगल बी कितना है?
70 degrees.
70. अवनी व्हाट योर कैलकुलेशन? तो इक्वल है ना, दोनों इक्वल है ना. श्रुति अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नो? हाँ दोनों इक्वल है. therefore both are 70 both are equal. Clear? We'll see one more example. Third one. In the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Now isosceles triangle means a normal triangle which has two sides equal. Suppose I draw it. In the isosceles ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle A and angle B both are equal. Same इसकी तरह. दो एंगल ऑलरेडी इक्वल है दिया है. नहीं, पर इधर आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल है. आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल मतलब लेट्स टेक इट एज बेस एंगल्स इक्वल. थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा आप लोग के लिए. A, B, C. Oh, sorry. Let's take this A, B, C. एंगल A and एंगल B are equal मतलब ये दो एंगल इक्वल है. ओके ये दो एंगल इक्वल है. ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Suppose we extend this and name this as D. So ये है अपना exterior angle. Measures of angle ACB and ACD is 3x minus. ACB का measure कितना है? ACB इधर है. इसका measure कितना है? 3x minus 17. और ACD का measure कितना है? 8x plus 10. अभी ये एंगल और ये एंगल मेक व्हाट एंगल? लीनियर पेयर, स्ट्रेट लाइन, लीनियर पेयर. सो देयरफॉर 8x plus 10 plus 3x minus 17 is equal to 180 degrees. One second. This angle plus this angle. 8x plus 3x is how much? 11x. Ten minus 17 is minus 7 equal to 180 degrees. So 11x is equal to 180 plus 7. Minus 7 इधर आते होते हैं plus 7. So 11x is equal to 180 plus 7 is 187. So x is equal to 187 upon 11. 187 divided by 11 करो. What is the answer? Tell me. 187 divided by 11.
Seventeen.
17. So x is equal to 17 degree. We क्या ढूंढना है? Find the measures of ACB and ACD. ACB कितना है? अभी x मिला 17. ओके, ये थोड़ा इरेज करते हैं. X we got 17 degree. हाँ, ACB is how much? 3x minus 17. So 3x minus 17 मतलब 3 into 17 minus 17. 3 multiplied by 17 3 का कितना होता है? 51 minus 17. So 51 minus 17 कितना है? Please minus and tell me. 51 minus 17 is how much? 51 minus 17.
20.
Who's that 20?
Sir, 34.
What you are doing, Avni? Minus plus नहीं आता है. Minus plus नहीं आता है, Avni. Minus fast, Avni. 51 minus 17.
Sir, I know.
Tell me how much.
35.
Wrong. Avni will tell. Avni, tell me 51 minus 17 how much?
Sir, I found.
Avni.
Sir, I also found.
I'm waiting for Avni. 51 minus 17. Can't hear you.
34.
Thank you, madam. 34. Roshan, 34. Hey, yaar, we are doing such complex sums and here plus minus only I don't know.
Sir, I
So-
done 51 minus 71.
अरे so nice यार. तो ये measure मिल गया. कितना है ये? 34 degree. Same way we have to find this. 8x plus 10. 8x plus 10. That means 8 into again 17 plus 10. 17 8 is how much? Multiply and tell me fast. 17 8
136.
136. Others? Shruti, how much you got?
136 I got, sir.
Dhanashri, how much you got?
Sir, I also got 136.
So I also got 136.
I'm waiting for Dhanashri.
Sir, 136.
Thank you. 136 plus 10 is how much? 146 degrees. इसका measure कितना है? 146 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What I'm going to do is now, I'm going to send everybody of you the notes, okay, of all the practice sets, and you'll have to do for homework. I'm writing it in the chat box for everyone. For homework, you'll have to do practice set 18, 19, 20, 21. One time. Practice set 18, 19, 20, 21. One time. Clear? Clear? Okay. Please do this for homework. This homework is for tomorrow. Tomorrow's timings and all will be messaged to you all. Okay. So you all
Yes,
can
sir.
leave. You all can
Yes,
leave now.